With this current surge in cases and some schools going back to distance learning, it can feel like the stress and really the trauma of this virus may never end. News 9's Tevis Hillis spoke with a mental health expert about how the pandemic is impacting Oklahomans nearly 2 years in. Tevis?
Well, Lacey, good morning. We know there's a change right now that's happening, a heightened stress as COVID-19 continues to spread rapidly. And many say they feel like they're back in isolation yet again. According to the Kaiser Family Foundation, more than 37% of adults in Oklahoma are reporting symptoms of anxiety and/or depressive disorder, compared to 11% before the pandemic.
And what this pandemic has done, it's actually kind of functioned as a magnifying glass for vulnerabilities. So if we're prone to depression, this has kind of made things worse for us. So panic attacks, depression, withdrawalness, isolation, easy to anger, easy to frustrate, increased substance abuse and use.
Now with the Omicron variant infecting Oklahomans at record rates, along with economic inflation and a state of unknown, the mental health crisis is reflecting a change.
What we're finding is that the frustrations are kind of a new level at this point in time. The anxiety and depressions are kind of at a new level. Everyone was kind of anticipating this past fall, that this would be behind us, we get back to some kind of normality. But we're still not there.
And what SSM Health is seeing more of, adolescents reporting poor mental health.
This semester in particular, people were looking forward to going back to school, but I'm seeing now that people are going back to school within 2 or 3 days. They're catching COVID, or the pandemic is there, and schools are beginning to close again, and that in itself is very, very stressful.
And the stress of that can bleed on to the rest of the family. But experts say it's about finding that routine.
Try to keep a routine going on a daily basis. So whatever your routine is, keep it going. Certainly don't isolate. So make sure that you contact family, friends, do FaceTime when you can.
If you or a loved one are dealing with mental health right now, we have resources for you available on the News 9 app. Live in downtown Oklahoma City this morning, Tevis Hillis, Oklahoma's own News 9.